I know.
Karatan yan.
The patient can respond, seek for or call for help. There's no
No?
one to help with. Just check the breathing.
Breathing agad?
Ha? Airway, I mean.
So how will it check the airway?
So yun? Yun is one. Ha? Check the... No. Wala.
Observe for what? For? Air. Observe for air if there's coming...
Observe if there's air coming out.
Okay.
Then, another in the chest. Observe the rise and fall of the chest.
Okay.
You can do it in the either in the top or in the.
Hoy, sabi.
If there's no still kind of breathing, mouth to mouth, like the sitting.
Like that.
Just sit the
Head.
head of the patient and
Open the jaw.
open the jaw. Sige, mga ka na lang. Take a deep breath and exhale it into the patient's mouth for at least 2 tries. Like,
Okay. Okay, if there's still no response,
check the try the destra.
okay.
Like destra.
Just trust.
Like which is doing for at least a minimum of 5 tries. One. 1,000.
Okay.
Until 5 counts. Then next, if there's enough, check the pulses. You can find it here in this wrist, here, there.
Okay.
Uh,
What is the other way in checking the circulation?
the capillary field. Press it.
No, that's
Ah, babatas.
the nail pad. You should check the nail pads, not the finger. Okay.
Press it. The normal
Capillary refill.
capillary refill is 2 seconds.
Okay, very good. So, Tertius 98, Marvin 91. Hindi ko na kung siguro mataas.